If you're looking for a Coursera Plus promotion for students, there is currently a limited time deal that can help you save money while building valuable skills. Before we get started, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing and see if the promotion is still active. Right now, new Coursera Plus subscribers can get the annual plan for just $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and works out to less than $20 per month when billed annually. This special offer is available until July 13th, 2026, making it a great opportunity for students who want to learn new skills outside the classroom. With Coursera Plus, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from over 350 leading universities and companies. Students can learn from organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Meta while studying popular subjects such as AI, Python, data science, business, cybersecurity, project management, and technology. One of the biggest advantages for students is the ability to earn unlimited certificates. These credentials can be added to your resume and LinkedIn profile to help showcase your skills to future employers. For learners planning to complete multiple courses during the year, the annual subscription often provides much better value than buying individual programs separately. Coursera also includes a 14-day money-back guarantee for annual subscribers, giving you additional peace of mind when trying the platform. So, is the Coursera Plus promotion for students worth it? If you want access to thousands of courses and plan to earn several certificates, this is one of the best Coursera deals available right now. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer before the promotion ends.